Welcome to our Excel tutorial. Today, we'll guide you through the process of adding a vertical average line to a bar chart in Excel, enhancing your data visualization with clear indicators of average values. Assuming that you have created a horizontal bar chart based on the original data in range A1, B5 in current worksheet, and you want to add a vertical average line across the horizontal bar chart at a specific value. How to do it. And you can do the following steps to add a vertical line to the horizontal bar chart type in Excel. First, select the original data range A1, B5 that you want to represent in your bar chart. Then, go to the Insert tab and choose the bar command under the Charts group. Select the clustered bar chart type to create your chart. To add an average line, we'll first calculate the average. Enter 0 and 1 into two blank cells, A6 and A7, respectively. Then, to the right of these cells, use the formula equals average, $B2, $5, to calculate the average value of your data. Select your chart and navigate to the Design tab. Click the Select Data command under the Chart Tools group to open the Select Data Source dialog box. Click the Add button under Legend Entry section to add the average value series in the Select Data Source dialog box. And the Edit Series dialog will open. Type Average as the name of the series, and specify the two cells, B6, B7, that contain the average values calculation. After adding the average series, right-click on it within the chart and choose Change Series Chart Type. In the dialog box, select the Combo option and then choose Scatter with Straight Lines as the chart type for the average series. Right-click on the bar chart again, choose Select Data from the pop-up menu list, and the Select Data Source dialog will appear, and then choose the average series and click Edit button. The Edit Series dialog will appear. Now, you'll need to specify the Series 10 and Series Y values for the vertical average line. Series 10 values should correspond to the average calculation, while Series Y values should be the cells containing 0 and 1, representing the start and end points of the line. You need to adjust y-axis of the average series. Double-click the second y-axis on the right side of the chart, and the Format Axis pane should be shown. Type number 1 into the text box in the Format Axis dialog. Finally, right-click on the vertical line and select Format Data Series to customize the appearance of your average line. Choose colors and styles that make the line stand out and match your chart's design. Take a moment to review your chart. You should now see a vertical average line clearly indicating the average value across your horizontal bar chart. That's it! You've successfully added a vertical average line to your bar chart in Excel. This addition can provide a quick visual reference for the average, making it easier to interpret your data at a glance. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to try adding an average line to your own charts to improve their informational value. For more Excel tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to our channel.